There's a long-standing African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. My name is Daryl Baker, co-founder of Keldar Leadership. Another key component of leadership is alignment. Alignment's all about getting buy-in from your organization and from your team. Too often leaders address alignment as simply a box to be checked off rather than realizing this step is critical to long-term success. You need to pay attention to upward, downward, and lateral communication to ensure that everybody in the organization is buying into what is being moved forward. A great vision will only sit there as a vision if you don't have the buy-in and alignment of team members. So there's a lot of research that's gone into best practices around alignment, and some of those key components are explaining your rationale, providing structured messages, exchanging perspectives with others, being receptive to ideas, being expressive, and being encouraging. It's very important to get this involvement with others, and sometimes people just don't find that a natural thing to do. They get strong on a vision, they move ahead with it, and they forget that important aspect of including others. There's ways of evaluating where the strengths and challenge areas are within yourself and the leaders in your organization.